Today we're at Queenstown and we're headed over there to Queen's Peak to share with you a high-floor 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom that can be yours for an absolute bargain price of under 1.37 million.
We have an important piece of information to share with home buyers who hope to make profit out from their property purchase. So do stay till the very end with us. Let's go!
Queen's Peak was completed in 2020 with 2 tower blocks and both have 44 stories with a total of 736 units. It comes with full condo facilities including a teppanyaki dining, sky gym and swimming pool, all 41 of them.
As you step into the unit, you'll notice that we have an entrance foyer that provides really good privacy as you don't really see the entire house immediately. Another standout feature will be the amount of natural light and ventilation this unit gets. We have a northwest facing, unblocked surrounding, and plenty of windows to thank for that.
With the kitchen neatly tucked away at the corner, it also comes fully equipped with Seng appliances.
From the balcony, it gives you an unblocked view of Queenstown neighbourhood. And with this good sized balcony, it definitely allows you to convert into a place of peace and relaxation.
The common room can be used as a study area or a bedroom where you can fit a single-sized bed.
In the master bedroom, it allows you to fit in a queen-size bed easily, and with the full-height windows, it gives you natural lighting and ventilation into the bedroom. And if you do not like too much light, curtains are readily fitted for you. If we compare with the new developments surrounding us like Sterling Residences and Margaret View, they have already transacted close to 2,000 PSF, being one of the closest to the MRT with a sheltered walkway and yet the cheapest in the same area. We are so convinced of the value proposition this unit has to offer. So if you are looking for a development in the City Fringe area, be it for own stay or for investment, this unit under 1.37 million definitely value for money.
Next important point, which unit in the development can we actually buy at a discount? Are you curious to find out?
Do contact us for an exclusive presentation to find how we help our client to find good discount properties.
Thank you for joining us on this beautiful 2+2 in Queen's Peak. We hope you like our home tour.
To help us to like, subscribe and share to all your friends and definitely help us by a lot. Till next time, bye!